Hey, do you know what's the most crucial part of any welding project?
Well, I'd say it's the welding itself, making sure the joints are strong and secure.
True, but there's another aspect that's just as important, the welding inspection and acceptance criteria.
Ah, I see what you mean. That's how we ensure the welds meet the required standards, right?
Exactly. Without proper inspection and acceptance criteria, even the best welds could potentially fail in service.
That makes sense. So, what are some of the key things inspectors look for?
First and foremost, they check for any visible defect like cracks, undercuts, or porosity in the weld metal or the heat-affected zone.
Yes, those can compromise the integrity of the weld.
They also inspect the weld size, profile, and whether it meets the specified dimensions and tolerances.
We also look for complete fusion between the base metal and the weld metal.
Spot on. Lack of fusion is a major no-no and a common reason for weld rejection.
It's all about ensuring the welds are safe and reliable.
And the criteria can vary depending on the application, the codes and standards involved, and the criticality of the component.
So, it's not just a one-size-fits-all approach, right?
Correct. That's why welders need to be familiar with the specific acceptance criteria for each project they work on.